All right, let's go over method and safety and some things like that. We all know we're supposed to wear our glasses. See this steel counter right here? This is one guide for my piece of wood. This 2x4 that runs down here, it has nails through it, so I can pick it up and move it and nail it back down to be a guide on the other side of this piece of wood that I want to split in half so I can turn it into two of these guys that are going to be part of the trim. Okay, so over here I've got my circular saw, and it is pinned down to the table. It's going to get more. This is just for example, but if you'll notice, its blade is right in between those two boards, and so the furry, that's what that piece of wood is called, is going to come right down the center and be guided so it gets split as even as possible. And so I'll take forever adjusting these two back and forth. This whole thing moves until I get everything nailed down. So then let's get this out of here. And if you'll notice, this little guard is resting right against the end of the table. So now we're back to our piece of wood. The thing to remember is, as it goes into the blade, it's going to try to kick up. That's where your push stick comes in. You're going to hold the end of it down as you start feeding it through. Then the whole thing will feed itself through, and it's good to have someone play catch or put a sawhorse over there to help hold it up. And then again, right at the end, the thing is going to try to kick up, and that's when you're going to use your push stick again to send it on out. And the reason you use the push stick is so it doesn't end up being your fingers. And that's how you rip a board straight down the line. You don't need a counter. You can use two good pieces of wood nailed down on either side and just put your saw to it. And always keep your fingers out of it and wear your safety gear. Thanks.